What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tuturuan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. Watermelon cooler. So for this cocktail guys, kailangan natin ng highball glass or any tall glass. Let's put some ice and chill it. Cocktail guys, you shake it. Kailangan natin ng shaker. So first ingredients guys is sugar syrup. 15 ml. And next guys is lemon juice. Leaves 8 to 10 leaves guys. Watermelon around 50 grams. Lagay natin sa shake. And last of course is alcohol. Vodka. 60 ml guys. Let's put some ice and let's shake our cocktail guys. Strain our glass. Double strain guys. And for garnish, lagyan natin ng watermelon guys. Lemon. And mint juice. Here go guys, watermelon cooler cocktail. Subukan natin guys. Pew, 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 pew. For watching. If you find this video helpful and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, and learn about bar, please click the like and subscribe button and see you on the next video.